actually talked about these things a little bit in our notes. I can't remember what section, but we were working with triangles. Section 2. So it's not going to be completely new. But our first one we're going to focus on, let's talk about transformation. What is a transformation? Yep, a movement. So it's an operation that maps an original figure called the pre-image onto the new figure called the image. Think about it. What do you take first, your test or your pre-test? Pre-test. So what do you start with first? Your pre-image. Right.
Are we gonna have post?
No. Well, our post image is the image. And these can change the size, position, or shape.
Are you even writing this down?
A reflection is just a flip. We're just flipping it over a line. Over the line of reflection. And then you need to make sure that each point of this image are the same distance away from the line of reflection. So all you're doing today, guys, is counting boxes. How far away is it? So some possible lines of reflection. The x-axis, the y-axis, horizontal or vertical lines. X equals negative, or excuse me, x equals a number, y equals a number. Let's review for a quick second. If I have x equals some number, is that this way or this way if it's x?
First way, that way. X is left and right. X is left and right.
You're right. The x-axis is left and right, but when you graph the line that's x equals, it's up and down. And this one's left and right. I jot that down.
It's because it's on the x-axis. Right?
Yeah. It has to go through your x-axis. And then the bottom ones are just slanted lines, and you'll see a little bit of that today. Okay. But let's just get started. Okay?
Yeah.
Sure. You can go back.
Yes.
Whatever you need.
C.
Good. Okay.
Wait, one more second.
Oh, go back?
We're slow.
I hope the people that ever watch this video get really motion sickness when they watch this. All over it.
Yeah, you can go.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so step 1 is to graph your image. So let's plot those points and see what we're looking at. And I would label your points.
Louis, you gonna take that one? Nisha? Nisha, I really love you in that movie, honey.
Okay, the x-axis is what we're reflecting over. So is that the up and down one or the left and right one?
I'm just gonna put a random point.
Which one's the x-axis?
X is up and down. No, x-axis is left and right.
Yeah, it's this guy. So I would highlight that. So now I'm just flipping this over that blue line. And all you have to do is count how far away each of your points are from that. So C is how far? So I'm going to go one the opposite direction from that line. And I'm going to put C. And so you can tell which one you started with and which one you ended with. C prime. So that C with a little apostrophe, that's how you know that's your image. C prime. B is 7 away. So 1, 2, 3, 4. B prime. 2 away.
Yeah, we did this last week. Yeah. We just took it and we just copied it down.
Our cookies just sweet bread.
I do 8 cookies, but
So some of us are rule people and like to memorize like rules. If I look at my original coordinates and then my new coordinates, can we write a rule? Can we see a pattern between the numbers? The first number is the same, but what changed?
Second number, yeah.
The second number became negative. So xy turns to
X negative Y.
done. So if you reflect something over the x-axis, if you want to memorize a rule, you can. I don't commit these to memory because I can just count. And I'd rather use that space for, what did we eat for lunch? What did we eat? You do whatever you want to do. Are we okay for the next one? Okay, start plotting. Rectangle. PQRS.
That's fun. Oh, ask him who he's talking about.
Okay, so this time it's the y-axis, so that is our up and down axis. And again, you're just counting how far away each of your points are from that blue line.
Wow.
Yeah. Yep, the first number becomes negative. Yeah. And our y is the same.
I know. She told me about it. Will you like
Yep. Our pattern on this one, your x coordinate becomes negative and your y stays the same if you want to jot that down. I know these kind of get redundant, but I just want to do an example of each of the different kinds of things we can see. Are we okay on this one? Okay. On the next one, we're reflecting over the line x equals 4. So is that going to be a line like this or like this?
like this?
Straight up and down. So go over to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the x.
7.
Going straight up.
Oh. Hashtag Blades. Sean, you want to join my party?
Yeah.
Isn't Jay supposed to be?
It's pretty lit.
Yep. It sure is.
What? Oh man, he's. Oh. Heck. Wait. Over to let my. They were on the desk.
There's like no computations in this chapter. It's just straight transformations. Are we okay for the last one? So we're reflecting over the line y equals x in thinkers. Remember what that is. Slanted. Yeah. Where do I start here? What's my y-intercept? Because there is none, right? So I'm going to start at 0. And then I'm going to go up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1. So my slope is 1.
What?
So graph this line. Does anyone have a guess what's going to happen to your ordered pairs?
They're gonna flip.
They are. So just flip your ordered pairs and then plot them. That's the easiest way to do it. So x would really be -2, -5. Y prime, 4, -3. Z prime, 1, -1. That's oops. And now we're going to use the rulers real quick. If you need a ruler, let me know. Or you just need a straight edge. You don't really need a ruler. Okay. If you were asked to do this by hand to reflect without being on a coordinate plane, you're going to take your straight edge, so I don't have a ruler on here, so I'm just using a line. And you want it to be perpendicular to the red line. So can you now place your ruler so it makes a right angle with your red line? So just adjust it so it makes a right angle. Just try to be as accurate as you can.
I kind of cut off the bottom. Wait, what?
Yep. And then from here, guys. Lewis, are you with me?
Yeah, I don't think
Okay.
Oh, you're just trying to make a grid plane, aren't you? Just see from top.
Once your line is perpendicular to the red line, you're going to kind of shimmy it till you get to a vertex on your shape. So I get to H. And then I'm going to try to keep the same distance away to on the other side of the line. So this is about this far. So I'm going to come over here and put a dot. Oh, man.
Oh my wow.
It's a lot of eyeballing.
Can we just come across?
No, because I want you to be kind of accurate. You don't want to just... And once you get your point in, shimmy until you get to the next one. Oh, man.
Yeah, looks exactly.
Is anyone close? Anyone? Are we kind of close?
Yes.
She knows what this is.
Dead on.
I was so
So should it be like higher?
Yeah, it should be.
Mine is exactly.
It's perfect.
I got close enough.
I do. And then I just want to do one more when the line goes through your shape because it's kind of weird.
Then you make it perpendicular.
Make it perpendicular.
Well, per-
Do the same process.
And then don't you just make it like
Yep, go the other way. Yep.
like this?
Just chillax. You relax on my body. I really appreciate it. You're bad.
And you would make it above that axis, that one you made?
Yep. I'm cheating. I don't know. I try to make it easy, but mine doesn't look like it's going to be right.
Oh, so I did it wrong.
What? Mine looks exactly like that.
Mine does not look like that at all.
Hey, you're waiting till the end and then
Well, why do you have to draw that top axis?
What top axis? That's my ruler, because I don't have a straight edge on here, so that was what I was using as my ruler.
So you don't even draw that much.
Don't. I'll pass out some graph paper because you'll need it for your homework.
No, I have one to
Yeah. And it's about burn. Yeah, moron. North Side moron. Yeah.
I got it for a second. Like you're gonna tell the teacher. Is it all on the sheet paper?
No.
Tom. Marge. Thanks, girl. Any other person that's missing a quiz or test that wants to work on it now?
Yellow paint is actually not good.
You skip all those ones.
No, just 16.
That is false.
Joseph, do you want to work on your chapter 8 quiz?
Heck yeah, I do.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pumped for this quiz that I'm not really sure what it's on. You know what? You're gonna win.
I should have not my math and send it.
So that's what we find. Keep on. At least don't worry. I hope you no.
Just make the eggs really
Oh.
How you want me? Without.